Good afternoon, everybody. It's Dhaval coming at you here from a very hot and humid Havana, Cuba. I am literally dying here. It is so, like, the humidity just hits you in the face. But I am at the Plaza de Revolución, one of the most important political centers here since 1959 in the history of Cuba. With regards to its revolution, and there are a lot of famous political events have happened here according to my tour guide, but you can see that this square here is really huge, and my understanding is that a lot of famous political figures, mainly people like Fidel Castro, have given speeches here in Cuba, and right over here, as you can see, is a government building with Che Guevara on it, and he's still a very important icon here in Cuban history, as you can see. And so there's the Cuban flag. A lot of tourists come here to get this picture of his image. And I'm just going to be walking back here to the tour bus I came in here with. But I just kind of wanted to give you guys an idea. I'm going to walk to the center here, and there's another government building with one of their political icons. I'm going to try to get a little closer to it if I can. And over there in the distance is a tower, and there's a statue there of José Martí, who helped start the revolution against Spain for independence, against for Cuba. So José Martí started a revolution to get independence from Spain, and he's another very important political icon here. And I'm sorry, the heat and the humidity is really getting to me, guys. I'm just, oh my god, I'm dying. I need like another bottle of water. But here's the other image. I'm going to try to get a little closer. Apparently this is the brother, or he's related to Fidel Castro, and I'm sorry, I don't remember his name. But you can kind of see both those buildings here are kind of back to back. And all these other government buildings are kind of around us here in this area. And I'm just going to kind of walk to the center here to give you guys a little 360 shot. But yeah, this is a very important, iconic, historic place for Cuban politics. I would say both past and present, and probably even future. Yeah, really incredible. So I'm here at the center of the Plaza de Revolución, and I just kind of want to give you guys a little 360 shot here of what I'm looking at on this very hot and humid day in Havana. So kind of surprised me that Che Guevara, he's still very admired, as is Fidel Castro. You know, I have to be, I guess I can kind of take that with a grain of salt here, but it's really beautiful here. It is a beautiful country, and there's a lot of resources here, a lot of great agriculture, just simply amazing. I want to show you guys these cars now that we can see here, but whoops, there's some tourists there. But you can see some of these old school American cars that are here, and these are used as taxis oftentimes for tourists like myself. And get the
Do this.
All right, well, we're gonna be taking a group picture here, but just gonna quick look at these cars. These cars would sell for a fortune back in the States. All right, I better sign off here. We got a group photo coming here. So, okay. All right. This is Dhaval signing off here from the Plaza de Revolución in Havana, Cuba, in the central part of the city. And I hope you guys like this video. I will check in with you later. GoPro turn off.
All right, take it. Okay, ready.